Hello world, it's another good day. Pleasure to be with you once again in this broadcast. This my TBC broadcast number 16, and I'm very happy that you are around to enjoy the show. In fact, when I opened to the blog post that I was about to read, or I'm about to read, I was so excited because this blog post was an interesting one. In fact, it's an old blog post, that's why I have to refer to the past all the time. It says, it was titled Facts Tell and Stories Sell. Video article. Facts tell and stories sell. I quite remember when this blog post came out in April 6, 2018. When I read it, it boosted my morale for the TBC business. Why? You get to know when I get into the reading. Alright, without wasting time, let's go ahead straight into reading this interesting blog post. Hello world, the billion coin. Facts tell and stories sell. Video article by admin, published on February 6, 2018. It starts with a video which is still active. Okay, my SUV my SUV car paid with full TBC. We'll get to know about this video in the blog post, even if we are not going to watch, but I encourage you to follow the link after my video, read the article or the blog post, and then watch the video as well. Here it reads, I promised you an article on the subject of being excited, and here it is at blog.thebillioncoin.info, 2018 of January 30th, titled, If you want to be a selling machine, then excitement is the right feeling. Facebook video. That's the link. The reading continues. You all have so much to be excited about. TBC right now. You all have so much to be excited about TBC right now. Sorry. Yet, some of you are still struggling to access the great wealth contained in your TBC wallets. Why do some people make it look so easy to sell TBC, while others who truly believe in TBC are having such a hard time selling TBC? First of all, this is a constant situation. This is a sales situation. No matter what you are selling, some people make it look easy while others fail miserably. Those that fail usually try to cover up their failure by blaming it on something outside of their control. Big mistake. The minute you start to blame, dooms you to continued failure. The answer is and always will be within you. Never forget that. Another link follows. blog.thebillioncoin.info 2018 February 2nd. What type of questions do you ask? Poster. What type of questions do you ask? TBC doesn't lift people out of poverty just by giving them a gift of automatic wealth creation. TBC is a community that works together to guide the poor on how to think, feel, and act in a way that elevates them day by day. Who is in charge of the way you think, feel, and act? The correct answer is you are. You are in charge of you. You do have the power to emulate. Examine the successful people in TBC. What do they have in common? The one thing they have in common is they are all truly excited about TBC. You can hear and feel their excitement when you see them speak. I watch a lot of testimonial videos every day, and I can tell in just 5 minutes of watching who is making money now in TBC and who is not. It is self-evident who is excited and who isn't. If you are looking for some good reasons to be excited about the current situation of TBC, I will certainly provide that to you in this article. But reason is not enough. It will also provide you some techniques to boost your ability to become excited. Plus, I am going to teach you what to talk about when it comes to TBC and who to talk to so you can start earning money now with TBC. That is the part I told you about. When I read this blog post, I was so much excited about just who to talk to. You'll get to know in the blog post. Alright, now we are going to talk about some past history about TBC. Past history in the sense that this paragraph that I'm going to read has already been fulfilled. However, I'll still have to read so that we know what took place some time back, or what has come to fulfillment in TBC as we march on. So this paragraph reads, I could make it a case right now that this is the easiest time to sell TBC ever. We have a brand new year ahead of us, and the holidays and the holiday blues are behind us now. The breakdown in the current TBC technology has been patched up good enough to add more send buttons. I think you get a picture now. That breakdown has a huge downer for the whole community, but we have recovered. We are at the turning point now, and the only direction for us is up. We have turned on 1,402 send buttons, and I'm confident we could turn on 10,000 more right away. Migration is only a few short weeks away from now, and then everybody's send button will be turned on for those that paid for it. This has come and gone. That is migration. The testimonial videos pouring in have now really given the TBC community a boost in morale. Testimonial videos. We are done posting testimonial videos to warrant a send button turned on for a member. Plus, it has made it a lot easier to identify the successful people in TBC, because before it was almost like they were enjoying success in secret. So many new faces and TBC stories are appearing now, and perception of just how big we really are is becoming more evident. Always remember that TBC started out as just an idea in the head of one person, and now look at us. We have 2,761,251 verified members. That's a lot. We are over 3 million now. So this figure too has been exceeded. Yet we are light years away from saturating the market, because 7.5 billion people have never heard of TBC. Discounters of TBC are stomped out quickly now, and we will never let them take us over again like they did before. Cookie rewards is turning people into millionaires faster than anything else out there. The value of the gift we are sharing is quickly approaching $1,000. Now it has exceeded $1,000. It has exceeded $2,000. And this time there are some technicalities to acquire the cookie reward, or the gift, the gift from Cookie Rewards. However, this is not the reason why we are here, so I continue reading. The stack of training and tools available to all now is through the roof, more or less free of charge. Admin and tech support have proven that you can count on them. TBC leaders are popping up everywhere. There are just so many reasons to be excited. We can hardly count them all. So that's done, or that's that with the events that have been fulfilled in TBC so far. Now let's continue with what is ahead of us, as admin promised in this blog post. So this brings us back to you. You need to shift your emotional state to excitement. It's from an emotional state of excitement you will find selling TBC to be so easy. One way to define excitement is high energy. When you are excited, you talk faster, don't you? You move faster, don't you? Who is in charge of how fast you talk and how fast you move? You are. So just start talking faster, and don't be afraid to move your arms around when you are talking. Stop being so stiff. Act excited. Allow yourself to dream. TBC can make your dreams come true. Stop being so dang quiet when you talk. Increase the volume by at least 25% louder. When you talk, walk at least 25% faster. Your body provides a feedback loop to your brain. When you behave excited, the brain comes up with reason to justify being excited. Romance TBC. Fall in love, smile and daydream. When you look at the money in your TBC wallet, don't be disappointed because you can't spend it yet. Be excited about what you will spend it on when the time comes. You see what I'm saying here? You see what I'm saying here? Empowerment comes from within. You already got the power to change you. Be the success you have always wanted. This is the morale booster paragraph, or this is a morale booster paragraph. I remember when I read this the very first time this blog post was out. Let's continue. Now, who should you talk to about TBC? $100 is needed to take advantage of the cookie rewards. You should sort out your prospects and spend your time talking to people that have at least $100. If you spend all your time talking to people that don't have $100, you are not going to make any sales. Plus, it is super frustrating to everyone if you try to get blood out of stone. $100 people are everywhere. Identify them and then surround yourself with them. Hang out with $100 people. Spend less time with broke people. You can still care about everyone, but don't spend all your time with broke, or worse yet, negative people. The good news is you are not limited to just your hometown. TBC is global, and you can hang out with people all over the world on the internet. Trust me, when you give $1,000 gift to $100 person, later they will gladly pay you that $100 to get some cookie rewards. Then they will gladly accept a $50 commission from you when they partner up with you to spread TBC to their friends. The trick is you got to look and act like $100 person in order to hang out with them, even if you are not already $100 person yet. In just one sale, you officially become $100 person. Now for the words you choose. Too many people bore everyone with facts. Facts tell. So what? Facts tell. So what? The less time you spend describing TBC, the better. What is TBC? TBC is digital money. Want some? Boom! That's it. It's funny to watch a fact teller testify about TBC. They go on, and yes, it is boring. Instead, become a great TBC storyteller. Go through all the testimonials and look for the stories. Memorize the stories like you would remember a good joke. Recite other people's stories. Recite other people's stories. Be excited when you do. Hey, a friend of mine just bought an SUV. So the prospect will say, really? Yeah. You respond, yeah. My friend Marvin paid for it using full TBC. Marvin was in the video at the beginning of the blog post. So this is Marvin. So this is Marvin's video, testimonial video. Okay, good. Let's continue with reading. The prospect will ask, what is TBC? This is the answer. TBC is digital money. Want some? Prospect will say, I don't know. TBC, you continue. TBC is on a mission to end poverty globally. It helped a friend of mine, Imbe, go from a tiny one-bedroom dump to now buying land and office building and a really nice place to live. Prospect will ask, or prospect will exclaim, wow, look. You console TBC member or TBC Sham will say, look, you need to learn what this is all about. I'm going to give you a gift of some, and then you will see how awesome it is, and later if you want to buy more you can come to me. Okay, prospect will say or respond, okay. See, so admin continues here. See, this is what I'm talking about. Too many of you are coming up with ideas on how to make TBC better. That's not your job, that's mine. Admin, that's mine. Let me focus on making it better and better. But in the meantime, you should make yourself better and better. You have the power to make great money now in TBC. Be excited and the job will be easy. Be strong, be happy. Then go out there and make your dreams come true. End of blog post. Admin, thank you for this exciting blog post. In fact, like you said, you want to motivate us through this blog post. You want to inspire us to get the job done, and we love this blog post. In fact, I love this blog post. I enjoyed reading it, and in fact it worked for me. Okay, now where do I now? This is where I want to highlight. It appeared or it showed in my reading a while ago, so I take it again. So this brings us back to you. You need to shift your emotional state to excitement. Shifting our emotional state to excitement will do the trick. We have to be excited about TBC, just as admin advice. So it says, it's from an emotional statement. It's from an emotional state of excitement you will find selling TBC so easy. One way to define excitement is high energy. When you are excited, you talk faster, don't you? You move faster, don't you? Who is in charge of how fast you talk and how fast you move? You are. So just start talking faster, and don't be afraid to move your arms around when you are talking. Stop being so stiff. Act excited. Allow yourself to dream. TBC can make your dreams come true. Stop being so damn quiet when you talk. Increase the volume by at least 25% louder. When you walk at least 25% faster. When you walk at least 25% faster. Your body provides a feedback loop to your brain. When you behave excited, the brain comes up with reasons to justify being excited. Romance TBC. Fall in love with TBC. Smile and daydream. When you look at the money in your TBC wallet, Don't be disappointed. Don't be disappointed because you can't spend it yet. Be excited about what you will spend it on when the time comes. You see what I'm saying here? Empowerment comes from within. You already got the power to change you. Be the success you have always wanted. What a line, what a paragraph. I'm so amazed. I was so amazed, and reading it today too. I'm so amazed. What a leader we have in TBC admin. In fact, this is where I want to end this blog post so that you can remember the points about shifting our emotional state to excitement. These are the points. Everything 25%, talk 25% louder, walk 25% faster. For romance TBC, fall in love with TBC. Come on, folks. I'm so much excited. I want to leave it here so that we keep chewing on it for a very long time. Once again, TBC admin, we thank you for this inspirational blog post, which we believe will go a long way to help every member in the community as we go over and over again reading this blog post. Like you said, we have let me look for the line. It says something like we have years to go. I wish I can get. Let me see. We have just started and we have light years. He said we have light years to go in our journey in TBC. That's it. Okay. Let me look for that part to read. I wish I can come across it so early. Come on. Oh, even if I don't get it, it was in the book post. I got it. It says we have 2,761,251 verified members, and that's a lot. Yet we are light years away from saturating the market. Because 7.5 billion people have never heard of TBC. That's it. 7.5 billion people have never heard of TBC, and the few of us, over 3 million of us currently, that are verified TBC members, we are nowhere to the finish line. Remember, the finish line is 1 billion members in the community, 1 billion members and more in the community. So admin is right in saying we have light years away from achieving our target. And so this blog post and the inspiration that I got from it, and I believe you also got from it listening to me, is what is going to do the magic, is what is going to work the trick out. Guys or folks, I thank you very much for hanging around with me to do this blog post. Without you, it is meaningless spending time to do this blog post. To do this broadcast. In fact, I know, and from the number of views that I enjoy, I know you are educating yourself as I educate myself. All this through our charitable admin and gallant admin, so to speak. Once again, thank you all for making this broadcast, TBC broadcast number 16 of mine a success. Remember, the title was Facts Tell and Stories Sell. So I will add the details in the description of the video, so you can follow the link and get access to the full blog post. Thank you for hanging around. Bye bye. Peace.